Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your controller using DS4Windows. First, you will need to download the DS4Windows application. Make sure to get it from a trusted source to ensure you have the correct and most recent version. Once downloaded, you will prepare your computer for installation. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process, ensuring all necessary components are ready before proceeding to the next stage. After downloading, extract the DS4Windows files into a folder of your choice. Then, launch the DS4Windows application. The program will prompt you to install essential drivers. It is very important to install the VI-GM bus driver, as this allows your computer to recognize the DualShock 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, enabling broader game compatibility. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for a successful installation. Now let's connect your controller. You can use a USB cable for a direct, wired connection, which is often the simplest method. Alternatively, for wireless play, enable Bluetooth on your computer and pair your DualShock 4 controller. Once connected, open DS4Windows. Your controller should appear in the Controllers tab, indicating a successful connection. This step confirms the software recognizes your device. To ensure everything works perfectly, test your controller within DS4Windows. The program provides a visual representation of button presses and stick movements. Next, launch your favorite game and confirm that all controls are responsive and correctly mapped. If you encounter any issues, try restarting DS4Windows or checking for updated drivers. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer can also resolve minor connectivity problems, ensuring a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.